Gold again opened at the lower circuit, but I feel that this is not a crash, this is just a healthy correction. I feel that there are a lot of geopolitical tensions and reasons why this might have happened. Some people will tell you it's because they wanted the banks to get out of their trades that they had shorted or something else. But as a retail investor, this is not something that you would actually understand. So coming to the main point, what do you need to understand as a retail investor is one, that gold might have corrected right now, but this doesn't mean that gold is going to drop to 80,000. This means that this is a healthy correction and this is a very good time to buy gold for you as a retail investor. Anybody who's invested in futures because of any tip they might have gotten on Instagram, yes, this might be a bad time, but I would say book your losses, exit and enter gold as an equity or buy physical raw gold. Also, there's a news of bombing in Iran. Now, it's not clear if it's done by US, but it has happened. And as we know from the past, when such geopolitical situations happen, gold always tends to go up. Now, I can assure you by my experience that whatever price gold fell down from, which was 193, 190, it is gonna come back to the same price or even higher by the end of March itself. So don't be worried if you're holding gold, and don't panic sell just because someone's telling you that it's going to fall back to 80,000. In history, gold has never depreciated so much. This was just a rally which was very uncertain and there was a lot of profit booking, but again, gold will not lose its fundamental value, which is it being a currency. So given that we're moving into an era where there will be gold standard again, I personally feel that gold is only going to go up, and to not panic sell, invest smartly and follow for more such videos. If you have any questions, drop in the comments. Thank you.